Hi all, welcome to the first part of JavaScript basics. So as part of first section, we'll look into JavaScript history, how it has evolved from its inception in 1994. So to study briefly about JavaScript history, let's start looking at who created the first browser, and then who actually wanted the JavaScript and what purpose it was needed for. So the first browser was created by NCSA, National Center for Supercomputer Applications, in 1993, which was called as Mosaic. And then the developers of Mosaic, they themselves formed a Netscape communications organization. And then they have created another browser called Netscape Navigator in 1994, which was a huge success at that point of time. So then Netscape wanted to evolve into something different. They wanted to add some of the dynamic nature to the browser. So they wanted a person to write the scripting language for HTML markup pages, such that it can be embedded into HTML itself, and then that can do some of the operations inside the HTML. So to get that done, they have hired Brendan Eich, then who was given a charge to create a scripting language to add dynamic nature to the HTML markup pages. So this guy has created a POC in 10 days and called it Mocha. So this was doing a bit of the dynamic nature that was needed, and then he could get that into Netscape Navigator 2.0 beta 1. So later, after this Mocha was given in the beta 1 release, later in next 3 months, Mocha was renamed to LiveScript, and then JavaScript in its subsequent beta releases, and it was finally termed as JavaScript. And the name, as it says, as it has Java, it has nothing to do with the Java programming language. It is just a marketing strategy used by Netscape just to attract the Java developers at that point of time, which was a booming development community. So they could get, and they also claimed that the syntax of JavaScript is similar to Java. It looks like, but there's a lot of differences between these two, but they are nowhere linked. And it's not that JavaScript can be used inside Java or that kind of stuff. So they are completely exclusive languages, and they don't have any connection with each other. Okay, and Microsoft was also doing this kind of dynamic nature languages. So it was using VBScript and JScript, which was kind of, they were reverse engineering JavaScript to an extent, and then they were creating their own version of it, and then releasing it in the IE. So, and everyone was going along, Netscape was going with the JavaScript, and Microsoft was going with the JScript and VBScript. Then Netscape thought, okay, let us go to a standardizing committee and get standardization of the JavaScript such that every manufacturer of the browser supports it. So in 1996 November, Netscape took JavaScript to ECMA community and asking for the standardization of the JavaScript. So with careful study, ECMA community has published its first edition, ECMAScript 1, in 1997 June. And there were subsequent editions that were released, and the latest release is ES6, which was done in 2015 June, and this is the quite popular edition that is being used currently. From then, JavaScript has been evolving into server-side, full-stack development, and all other various aspects, and it is being used in various domains, and it's being started as a front-end language just to add dynamic nature to the HTML pages. Now, currently, it stands at complete an application development in a full-stack way. So in the next videos we'll go through most of those stuff, like this program is designed, this tutorial is designed such that JavaScript from the level of browser in a front end development till the full stack development courses are designed. So if you can go through the first trailer video which explains what are all those topics that will be covered in the next subsequent videos that will be uploaded every week. Every week I'll try to upload 2 or 3 videos. So please subscribe to my channel so that whenever I keep adding videos you get an notification for it. So thank you all.